First principles thinking, breaking reality down to build it better. Imagine standing in front of a wall that everyone insists is impossible to cross. Most people search for a door. Some look for a ladder. But one person asks a completely different question. Why is there a wall in the first place? That question changes everything. This is first principles thinking, the mental superpower that separates innovators from imitators. Instead of accepting assumptions, it strips away opinions, traditions, and the way it's always been done, until only undeniable truths remain. Think of a master builder who tears down an old house, not because it's ugly, but because its foundation is weak. They don't renovate the cracks, they rebuild from the ground up. Your mind works the same way. Every day you're surrounded by invisible rules. Success takes luck. I'm just not good at this. Things can't be done differently. But how many of those beliefs are facts? And how many are borrowed from someone else's thinking?
History belongs to those who questioned the obvious. The Wright brothers didn't ask how to build a better horse.
They asked what makes flight possible. Scientists don't copy nature. They study its laws. Great entrepreneurs don't imitate products. They understand the problems those products solve. That's first principles thinking. Now apply it to your own life. Feeling stuck in your career? Don't ask, which job should I take? Ask, what skills create real value? Struggling with money? Don't ask, how do I get richer? Ask, what creates wealth in the first place? Want confidence? Don't chase confidence. Ask, what experiences build genuine self-belief? Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow for more. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. The deeper the question, the stronger the answer. Your brain loves shortcuts. They're fast, comfortable, and familiar. But breakthroughs rarely come from comfortable thinking. They come from dismantling assumptions, examining reality, and rebuilding your understanding one truth at a time. So the next time someone says, "That's impossible," don't accept the conclusion. Ask, why? Ask what must be true. Ask what everyone else has overlooked, because the people who reshape the world don't think better. Inside the box, they question whether the box ever existed. And that's the true power of first principles thinking, the courage to rebuild your world from the ground up.